Today, I'm so excited to show you a project that is perfect for adding a touch of magic to a little girl's wardrobe. I have already fixed my fabric into the hoop. Check this vibrant border pattern as a frame on the bodice of this sweet dress. You can also use the same technique to decorate a hemline or add a pop of color to sleeve cuffs. It transforms a plain garment into something unique and handmade. Let's dive in. To get my spacing perfect, I'm using my plastic cross-stitch mesh to mark dots at 6 mm intervals. If you don't have a mesh like this, don't worry. A simple ruler works just as well. I'm using my erasable pen so we can have a perfectly clean finish at the end. I'm starting with 4 strands of green floss. First, we're stitching straight lines horizontally and vertically to create 2 rows of square grids. Do not stitch directly on the dots. Instead, leave a small margin of about 2 to 3 millimeters from each dot. Giving your stitches this little bit of extra space ensures that your grid isn't too tight, which makes the weaving process much easier later on. To make sure they stay perfectly in place, I'm switching to a single strand to secure every corner with a tiny cross stitch. This foundation is the skeleton of our border. Now for the magic. I'm using 3 strands of green floss. This is a surface weaving technique. We're essentially weaving a decorative art piece over our grid. We'll do this for the top line, the middle and the bottom until the 2 rows of squares are beautifully interconnected. Starting from the top left, my needle travels horizontally and vertically through the squares without piercing the fabric. When you get to the weaving stage, switch to a blunt tapestry needle. Since we are sliding the thread under our green grid lines without piercing the fabric, a blunt tip is your best friend. Weave your way to the right end of the line, keeping your tension loose enough so the thread sits proudly on top of the grid. Once you reach the end, secure it neatly on the back. We start again from the left. This row is special because it connects the top and bottom sections. As I weave through the middle line of squares, I'm catching the loops from our first row of weaving. This creates that beautiful, interlaced chain look. Follow the same horizontal and vertical rhythm, making sure each link in our weave looks consistent all the way to the right side. Embroidery is more than just a craft, it's slow living therapy. Take your time, keep your shoulders relaxed, and enjoy the rhythm of the needle. It's a wonderful way to de-stress and focus on the beauty of creation. Finally, let's finish the bottom row. Starting from the left again, we repeat our weaving pattern. This final pass locks in the previous row and completes our green border. By the time you reach the end, you'll see a thick, textured and decorative art piece that looks like it's floating on the fabric. Secure your thread one last time, and our green foundation is ready for the flowers. Let's add some floral charm. I've chosen a rich red floss in 4 strands. Using a 4-grid space, I'm stitching a plus and then an X to create a simple star-like flower. To make it pop, I'm weaving 2 strands of yellow through the center. I'll leave 4 grids of space between each flower to keep the design balanced and airy. You can use this border to make truly uncommon clothing. Try it on a sleeve cuff or even the edge of a pillowcase. Make it unique, make it yours, and most importantly, have fun with it. This kind of surface weaving adds a high-end boho chic look that you just can't find in ready-made clothes. It's the perfect way to make your wardrobe truly one of a kind. Remember, the goal here isn't just to finish, it's to enjoy. Slow stitching is incredibly healthy for the mind. If you feel your shoulders getting tight, take a deep breath, stretch, and focus on the rhythmic in and out of the needle. It's not just embroidery, it's a moment of peace in a busy day. Enjoy the therapy of the craft. And here is our finished border. The combination of the green surface weaving and those cheerful red and yellow flowers adds so much character and charm. Whether you use this on a dress bodice, a sleeve, or a hem, it's a beautiful way to show love through your handiwork.